Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the accessibility service detected problem on the GCash app. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and turn off accessibility, and second step, go to phone settings, scroll down, now tap on the apps option and search for GCash. Now tap on the GCash and force stops. Okay, scroll down, now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, camera allow, back, contacts allow, back, location allow. Okay, back, and another microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications turn on, back, and photos and videos, physical activity. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and go to your Play Store, search for GCash and check update GCash app. My GCash app already updated. Okay, now open your GCash app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.